Hi up there guys, in this video I will show you how to blur background on Instagram story. Firstly, launch the application and then what you need to do, just simply go on your story side or by clicking on the left upper side, then just on the camera roll. Now what you need to do, just simply on your layout, just find for you on clicking on your right side by finding for browser effects. Click on browse effects. On the search box you need to type for blur. Now you need to choose the effect that is related to your interest. For example, for me is this one. I will go for try it now, and what I need to do, just simply find the symbol or the effect that I want to just pop it up and then blur it. As you can see, you have many options. You can blur it with all, and as you can see right there, I have here more options by blurring this side, and just type on it. And now guys, as you can see, we have blurred background on our Instagram story. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.